Welcome to the Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use text-to-speech feature on Instagram Reels. So text-to-speech feature is now available on Instagram Reels, and I'll show you how to use it. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Next, you want to tap on the plus sign to post a reel. Select Reel. You can go ahead and record a video of yourself, or you can use any videos from your phone library. Next, you want to tap on Next. Now here, you want to go ahead and add a text. Tap Done. And now once you've added a text, at the bottom, you'll see all the text which you've added on your Reels. So now to make that text into text-to-speech, go ahead and tap on it. This will open up the Instagram video editor. At the top, you have your view, and at the bottom, you have your timeline. Now to make this text into text-to-speech, make sure that text is selected. So for example here, select the blue block, which is your text. Now down below, you'll see this option, text-to-speech. Go ahead and tap on it. Now at the moment, nothing is selected as text-to-speech. You have two voices, voice 1, and now text-to-speech will start.
This is test for text-to-speech. This is test for text-to-speech.
And you have voice 2.
This is test for text-to-speech.
Now these are the only two voices right now which are available on your Instagram Reels for text-to-speech. So go ahead and make your choice and then tap on the tick here. Now once you've configured your text-to-speech for that text, go ahead and tap on the play button and make sure you're happy with it. If you want to add more text-to-speech features to other text, you can do this by going into your Instagram editor, tap on text, add in your next text, tap Done. Now from the timeline, make sure that new text is selected, then tap on text-to-speech, voice 1 or voice 2. Now since you have two texts in your timeline, you need to make sure they don't play at the same time. So on the timeline, you'll need to make sure it appears at different times. So your first text appears, and then after 8 seconds, your second text appears. And there you go. That is how to use the text-to-speech feature on your Instagram Reels. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.